No credit history? No worries. Whether you're newly 18 or have never touched a credit card, building credit quickly is possible, and I'm here to guide you through it. Welcome to Money Gainers Hub, the channel where smart money moves become simple. We break down personal finance wisdom, including earning, saving, wealth building, and investing into powerful and practical tips, so you can make smarter money moves fast. Grab your notebook, get focused, and let's unlock your next financial breakthrough starting right now. Your credit score holds more significance than you might realize. It influences your chances of renting an apartment, buying a car, securing a mortgage, and even landing a job. However, there's a problem. No one teaches you the ropes of building credit. You are simply expected to learn on your own. In this video, we'll cover the essentials to transform zero credit into a solid score, all while avoiding large risks or debt. Step 1. Know the 5 factors of credit score. To strategize effectively, you should first understand how credit scores are determined. There are 5 main components. Component number 1, 35% for payment history. Number 2, 30% for credit utilization. Number 3, 15% for length of credit history. Number 4, 10% for credit mix. Number 5, 10% for new credit inquiries. We'll primarily focus on the first 2 as they account for 65% of your score. Step 2. Obtain a secured credit card. If you're starting from ground zero, a secured credit card is an excellent way to establish credit. It works like a standard credit card, but usually requires a deposit of between $200 and $500, which becomes your credit limit. So, search for cards with no annual fee that report to all credit bureaus. Utilize the card for small, regular expenses such as gas, groceries, or a Netflix subscription, and always pay off the full balance each month. This practice builds a reliable payment history. Step 3. Maintain utilization below 30%. Suppose your credit limit is $300. So, aim to keep your balance below $90, that is 30% of your limit. This principle is called credit utilization and is the second most significant contributor to your score. Hence, try to keep it below 10% if possible. It's far better than before. This behavior demonstrates to lenders your responsible nature and that you're not overly dependent on credit. Step 4. Always pay on time. A single missed payment, even by just one day, can negatively affect your score for months. Thus, it's vital to set reminders or automate your payments. Use your credit card like a debit card. Only spend what you can easily afford and always settle the balance before the due date. Step 5. Become an authorized user. If a trusted family member or friend has good credit, ask them to add you as an authorized user on their credit card. You don't need to use the card or even have physical possession of it. Their positive payment history can help improve your score. Just ensure they consistently pay their bills on time because their errors can negatively impact your score as well. Step 6. Look into a credit builder loan. Credit builder loans are small, low-risk loans provided by credit unions or online banks. You will make monthly payments, and upon completing the loan, you receive the funds. This loan is specifically designed to help you establish a robust credit history, with every on-time payment reported to the credit bureaus. Step 7. Track your credit for free. You can utilize apps like Credit Karma, Experian, or ClearScore to monitor your credit score. These resources allow you to view your score's progress over time, keep track of on-time payments, dispute any errors on your report. Mistakes can occur, and catching them early can save you years of financial trouble. Step 8. Avoid these common pitfalls. Here's what you should not do. Avoid opening too many accounts at once. It leads to hard inquiries. Refrain from closing your oldest credit card. It shortens your credit history. Don't max out credit cards even if you intend to pay them later. So, build your credit gradually and prudently. Keep in mind that building credit is a marathon, not a sprint. By starting with the right tools, such as secured card, low utilization, and timely payments, you will notice substantial progress within months. If you found this video useful, please like it, subscribe for more money tips, and check the description for our free credit building checklist. Next up, how to elevate your credit score by 100 points in 90 days. Don't miss out.